this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this liquid glass effect on CapCut with just a few steps. Import a video or picture you're going to be using into your timeline. Once that's done, create a duplicate of your clip and move to your mask menus to start adjustments. Use anyone that works fast for you. But for this, I'm going to be using rectangle marks. Next, go to stickers and select shapes. Choose the one that fits your marks better. Disable the fill, add a stroke, and adjust the thickness. Just do exactly what is being shown on the screen. Create a duplicate of your shape and drag it below to the main one. Now do the opposite, enable the fill and turn off the stroke. Select this color white and lower the opacity. Duplicate the layer, adjust the color to black, and bring up the opacity back up to 100%. Select this layer, select this effect, and head over to Gaussian blur. Add the Gaussian blur to this and play around with the sliders. Select each clip individually and convert them into compact clip. Apply a Gaussian blur to this clip and give it more blur to make the shadow more visible and even more cinematic. Just play around the sliders until you get the perfect fit. Select this layer, go to mask and choose this specific shape and animate it just like this. Carefully, do not rush. Head on to the masking panel and select the specific marks. Next, target your shadow layer. Open the mask section and select the specific mask. Adjust it the same way I'm also doing. Go to your opacity and reduce it. Now you can see the result on how to make this liquid glass effect. If you love this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.